Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01434 error in Oracle database 12c. So I open the SQL Plus editor, login as a user calls, common user call c#scott, which I already created. So now I am going to drop the synonym, person synonym. Okay, so it's throwing error ORA-01434 private synonym to be dropped does not exist, which means that I don't know the synonym. I don't know the synonym name. Okay, so what I am going to do, select star from tab. Okay, select star from tab. Query will return all the table views and synonym. You can see that person underscore synonym is there, so I need to drop that person underscore synonym. So I am modifying the query once again. Select star from tab, where tab type equal to synonym. Okay, synonym should be capital letter. Once again modify the query. So synonym should be capital letter. See here, it returns what are the synonym in the database for the current user. Okay, so I am going to drop this person underscore synonym. So this is the fix for the ORA-01434 issue. Okay.